Its name is a SHARP Aquos S2, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through settings. So to start off, we will actually need to open up the settings app, so tap on it, and you can either do it as I did through the icon on the screen or by pulling down the notification panel, and it's this little gear icon right here. It's also the settings, and from here you want to scroll down to other settings, so like right at the bottom, and then choose backup and reset, and then at the bottom you will find factory data reset. So tap on it, and then you get a little message what will remove, and once you tap on reset phone you will need to confirm it with a pattern, if you assuming you have one set like I do. If you don't have any kind of pattern or pin set up, you don't have to do anything, it will go straight to this screen. And from here once more tap on erase everything, and now the process will begin. So it might take a couple of minutes, just be patient, and I'll be back once it's finished. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device. So we'll start off with the language. I'm gonna keep on English. From here you can connect to a network, but you can also skip it if you don't like to. So I'm just gonna connect to one, it doesn't really matter. And then tap on next. Now here you can sign into the Google account. It's also optional thing. If you don't want to, you can just tap on skip. So I'm just gonna do that. And once more skip. Here the name of the device also doesn't matter, you can tap on next. You got some Google services, you can enable or disable them. For the most part, you can also enable or disable them later on, so it doesn't really matter what you choose. It's like location, if I turn it off, basically once I set up the device, the location will be off, but you can just tap on the icon to enable it. And then you tap all set. You can enroll a fingerprint for protection, or you can also skip it. If you want to enroll it, you can, I think, start tapping on here. Nope. You can just tap on here, add fingerprint, like so. And then you also need to choose a different method of unlocking. So for instance, I would choose a pattern, continue once more. And then I would start adding a fingerprint. So I'm just gonna do that really quickly. Okay, and as you can see now the fingerprint has been added, and you can tap on renaming it so you actually later on know what finger it was. So you can just say, type it 1, that was my first for a thumb. And then you can choose some kind of theme, doesn't really matter here, whatever you like more. Just tap on simple, tap on OK, and we should be now in the home screen. So finish. As you can see, now we're in the home screen. So launcher, let's allow the launcher to access everything, and you have full access to the phone. So that is basically how you would go through the hard reset of the device and also to the setup of it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.